Joke time. What is the difference between an old dingy bus station and a shrimp with boobs? The answer's coming right up. The answer, one is a crusty bus station and the other is a busty crustacean. In today's video, I'm beginning a series on converting the hidden side shrimp shack into a 4-story hole-in-the-wall / apartment building called the Busty Crustacean. I've actually done this in the past on a smaller scale. When I first got the shrimp shack set, I turned it into a 2-story building. You can see actually in my intro, there's a shot of it on my desk, and in one of the previous city updates, I did kind of focus a little bit on it. Before we get too far into this video, let's put the floor plan together first so I can better explain to you my thoughts for this building and how it's going to affect Brickadelphia and the buildings around it. So there's the basic footprint. Let's head on over to Brickadelphia and check out the spot that I've reserved for this building. This is the spot where the Busty Crustacean will be placed into. As you may have noticed, it is an inverted corner building. It will be filling in the space between the Palace Cinema and the Assembly Square. These brown bricks represent where I will be placing the building onto. And I've also decided not to make the foundation of the building a complete square. I've decided to cut this corner off here. That way I can still fit a smaller building behind it, yet it gives a little bit more room for that. And I think when it's all said and done, cutting that corner out there will allow a better building to be placed behind it, get a little more square footage down on the bottom there. I just want to put in a few interior elements first before the walls go up. That way the walls don't hinder your view and you'll be able to see what I'm doing a little bit easier. This is the kitchen area from the actual set. I've just taken it out and placed it in there along with this, I don't know if it's like a blender or a juicer or something like that, but that's in there. But one thing that the shrimp shack did not have is a refrigerator. So I put together this very basic refrigerator. It's just a couple of tiles placed onto some snot bricks. It's actually going to be built into the wall, so you'll see a little bit later that the top of the refrigerator is a second element that's actually built into the wall there. So I've decided to build the Busty Crustacean 100% from bricks that I have in my current inventory. And I actually have a bunch of 1x6 yellow bricks, 1x6 light blue plates, 1x4 lavender plates. And because most of the walls will be hidden from the outside, I can use these pieces to build up the walls that won't be seen. And from the inside, where you will see these bricks, it will look more like a painted wall. And I think that might help out with the overall theme of this building, where it's this dingy hole in the wall building in need of some major cosmetic repair. I mean, from the inside, this thing is gonna look ugly. Not a lot of things will be matching. You're gonna have yellow and light blue and purple and tan and orange. So feel free to let me know how it worked out for you. Drop a line in the comments below. This is part of the sign from the shrimp shack that was hanging up on the pole. Thought I'd give the inside of the dining area some atmosphere. All right, with the walls up, it's time to do the front of the building. This is the color scheme for the Busty Crustacean. 2 shades of gray, a bunch of sand green, and a little bit of red mixed throughout. While the inside is gonna look hideous, I think the outside will look really nice. There are a couple other colors besides this that I'm going to try to put in there. But for the most part, this is what the Busty Crustacean is going to look like. Just trying to sprinkle in some red elements and details when I can with this awning and this pot. I added a dead plant in there just to, again, reiterate that this place is being constantly neglected. And to finish off the last of the ground floor, I'll be adding some plates and some tiles. Did he say tiles? I did say tiles, that is correct. Yes, that's right, I did say tiles. This building is going to be fully modular. All 4 floors will be able to be taken apart, be able to see what's inside there. Can't have a business in a Lego city without a rad 3D sign to go with it. And of course, you guessed it, it is the shrimp from the OG set. It might be a little hard to see the vision that I'm going for right now, maybe because you're seeing the inside while you're looking at the outside. But I think once all the walls go up and you're looking at the building as a whole, I think it's gonna look really nice. But make sure to subscribe so you can actually see how this thing progresses. And as always, thanks for checking out my video, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Bye! Can you say bye? Go bye! Wave your hand. Bye! The Busty Crustacean.